OWASP Hackademic Challenge 2. So basically in Challenge 2, guys, we need to extract the password of or from the targeted website. Basically, if I enter anything and if I click enter, I'm not going to get anything out of this. I need to extract the password from this site. So I'm going to click on view page source. So here I see a lot of information and codes, HTML codes. So if I scroll down a bit, I can see a JavaScript code that apparently is doing the password stuff. So here I got the variable wrong, okay, and after that it's compared to a set of criteria according to if statement here. So the operation here, so whatever you type in here will get evaluated according to or stored in the variable wrong, and then will be compared in the if statement. So if you what's gonna type is right, you'll get into the website, or if it's wrong, the if statement will get executed in both situations. I mean, okay. So here I have the variable wrong. So in order to determine the password which is stored in the variable wrong, I need to execute the JavaScript here. So I'm going to Control A, the home page source code. I'm going to click on copy, then going to ds do, okay. So I'm gonna click on or copy the only the JavaScript code. I'm not interested in the HTML code. So here, if I click on run, I'm ready to copy the whole HTML code. So, okay, run code. Okay, here the page got executed and opened here. So I can add a bit of functions to the JavaScript code, so I can interpret the functionality or what's going on when the JavaScript code gets executed. So basically, the solution to this challenge is, or could be done by two ways. Okay, so here, as you can see, the variable of the wrong, the value of the wrong variable is stored in this statement. So I can add alert wrong okay, so that if I reopen the page again or rerun the code here and click on enter, the statement or the function here will get executed and alert me with a pop-up in the browser telling me the value of the variable wrong. So if I click on run the code again, okay, and I need to click enter here so that the script here will be in action. So click on enter. Okay, so this pop-up is the result of, for example, this code. Okay, alert wrong. Let the browser to execute or to give us a pop-up displaying the value of the variable wrong. So basically, enter a play is the actual password here. So if I click on copy, then going back, paste. Okay, so here we have been granted access to the website and the challenge is solved. So basically, guys, we can solve the challenge in another way. Instead of using alert function or alert command, we will use another one, which is document.write. Document.write, basically we use it a lot when we create when we create PHP cookie stealer, or we want to exploit XSS attack. We use document.write function in order to extract the cookie. You do the same thing here for wrong. So if I click on, if I type document.write, so here wrong. Okay, so rerun the code again. Okay, clicking on enter. So here you go, guys. Again, the password, which was the same password we entered and had access to the website. So basically, this challenge here is, it's like, looks like the same challenge. Challenge 1, you need to go to the source code of the page and then view whatever information you may be able to find in order to solve the challenge. So basically, in real world scenarios, very few websites display confidential information about the passwords, usernames, or the actual operation of the scripts that in a way or another evaluates the passwords, or actually the passwords or the username are stored in a typical situation in a database. So basically, in real world scenarios, you won't find such stuff, but it's very necessary to deal and get yourself accustomed to view and dig into the source code of any page and try to understand the function of every script, every code, every line, so that you can understand the underlying structure of the website.